If you're planning to start a business in Wyoming, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Wyoming even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Okay, the question is, why choose Wyoming for your LLC? Well, for one, you have tax advantages. That means it could save you thousands of dollars every year because Wyoming doesn't have state income tax for individuals or corporations. And of course, you have strong privacy. Wyoming doesn't require you to publicly disclose the names of your members or managers, which means your personal information stays private. And affordable costs. The initial filing fee is just $100 and the annual report minimum is only $60. That makes maintaining your LLC pretty budget-friendly. And of course, you have asset protection. Wyoming offers flexible management and strong laws to protect your personal assets. After that is choosing a name for your Wyoming LLC. Now, you want to make sure that your business name must be unique in Wyoming and it should include LLC or Limited Liability Company or L.L.C. You should avoid restricted words like bank, government, insurance, corporation unless approved. Now, for example, you have a specific business name in mind and you wanted to check the availability. All you have to do is very simple. Go to the Wyoming Secretary of State Business Search and type your desired name. Once your name is available and there is no matching results, it's good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is, you must choose a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is someone that receives all the legal and official documents for your LLC. They must have a physical address in Wyoming and of course must be available during normal business hours. You can hire a registered agent service, or if you want, you can appoint your friend, relative, or individual that you trust. But what we highly suggest is to hire a formation service like LegalZoom, more of that later in this video, for privacy and convenience. Now, it's time to officially register your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. Now, you can do this two ways. Number one option is by mail, but what we highly suggest is file it online. There is going to be a $100 fee with an additional $3.75 for online convenience fee if you choose electronic submission. And of course, the online filings typically receive the same day approval, while paper submissions may take up to 15 business days to process. So we recommend you simply go to the Wyoming Secretary of State website and then provide all the information like your LLC name, registered agent, management structure, and the organizer signature. And once submitted, approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Next is, we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now, let's talk about your annual reports and keeping your LLC in compliance. Now, let me tell you, every year, your annual report is due on the first day of your LLC's formation month. So mark your calendar, okay? You want to make sure to be careful in filing your annual report because this could lead to admin dissolution if your LLC fails to do so in a scheduled event. That means your business could be legally shut down, which is something you definitely want to avoid. So that's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Wyoming. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page. Enter your desired business name. If you want to skip and decide later, you can do that. And of course, we need to choose the state, and in this case, that's going to be Wyoming. Now, if you want to provide your email address and phone number, you can do that as well. Of course, you need to choose an industry, and in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the Founder's Kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Wyoming, which is one of the most business-friendly states out there, especially if you're running an online business or don't need a physical office. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.